Be ready. 15 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a very important day concerning the resolutions of a Viksit Bharat. I extend special congratulations to all the governors for organizing this workshop related to the Viksit Bharat. You have brought all those colleagues who bear the responsibility of guiding the youth of the country together on one platform. The role of educational institutions leads to individual development, and the nation is built through individual development. In the era in which Bharat finds itself currently, the campaign for individual development has become extremely crucial. I extend my best wishes to all of you for the success of the Voice of Youth workshop. Every country experiences a phase in its history when it propels its developmental journey multiple folds ahead. It is like the Amrit Kal for that nation. For Bharat, this Amrit Kal has arrived now, and this is the period is in the history of Bharat when it is about to take a quantum leap. There are numerous examples around us of countries that have, at a certain point in time, taken such a quantum leap and transformed themselves into developed nations. That is why I say now is the time for Bharat. This is the right time. We must make the most of every moment of this Amrit Kal. We cannot afford to lose even a single moment. Friends, our prolonged struggle for freedom is also an inspiration for all of us. When we entered the field with a goal, with enthusiasm and determination, considering freedom as the ultimate objective, we succeeded. During this period, be it through Satyagraha, the path of revolution, awareness about Swadeshi, or the consciousness of social and educational reforms, all these streams together became a source of the strength of the freedom movement. This was the time when a new awareness about freedom among the youth was spread across all streams. A whole generation dedicated to freedom emerged. A thought developed in the country that whatever has to be done, it should be for freedom and it should be done now. My dear friends, your role in the education institutes that you represent is to channelize the energy of the youth towards this goal. Every youth coming to your institutions has some special features. They should be connected to the stream of building a Viksit Bharat, regardless of their diverse thoughts. I would like you all to think even beyond your scope and think out of the box to contribute to the vision. You should launch special campaigns, provide leadership, and express things in simple language so that more and more youth from every college and university in the country can join this campaign. Since the beginning of the word idea starts with I, the section needs idea that describe what individuals can do themselves. As I comes first in idea, it also comes first in India. It means that if we want to achieve success, attain goals, and bring about the right results, it all starts with our own eye. When I talk about suggestions, the sky is wide open before you. We need to prepare a generation in the coming years that will be the backbone of the country, providing leadership and direction. We need to prepare a young generation for the country that prioritizes the welfare of the nation and places its duties above all. We should not limit ourselves to just education and skills. As citizens, we also need to make efforts in the direction of how to keep the citizens of the country vigilant 24/7. We need to instill awareness in society that they should not jump traffic signals no matter whether cameras are installed or not. People should have such a sense of duty that they should reach the office on time and work diligently to fulfill their responsibilities. Whatever products are made here, their quality should be so excellent that the consumers should feel proud when they see the Made in India label on it. You would also agree that these are small things, but they have a significant impact. Your suggestions on how to give new energy to the cleanliness movement would also be crucial. Your suggestions on how our youth can cope with the side effects of modern lifestyle would also be important. Besides the world of mobile phones, our youth should also explore the outside world. That is equally essential. As a teacher, you need to plant thoughts in the minds of students, both in the present and future generations. You also need to become a role model for your students. When the citizens of the country think in the interest of the country, only then can we build an empowered society. And you also know that the way society thinks is reflected in governance. If I talk about the field of education, there are so many subjects related to it. After a 3 to 4 year course, our educational institutions provide certificates and degrees. My dear friends, today the world's population is rapidly aging and Bharat is empowered by its youth. Experts suggest that in the coming 25 to 30 years, Bharat will lead in terms of the working age population. Therefore, the eyes of the entire world are on the youth of Bharat. Youth is not only the agent of change but also the beneficiary of change. The young colleagues in colleges and universities today are the ones who will shape their careers in these crucial 25 years. These youth will be building new families, creating a new society. Friends, we need to walk the roadmap of progress, and it would not be solely determined by the government. The nation will shape it. Every citizen will have to give his input and actively participate in it. Once again, I extend my best wishes for today's workshop. I firmly believe that the movement starting today will lead us to a Viksit Bharat by 2047. The journey begins today. Leadership is in the hands of educators, students, and educational institutions. And it is a period that builds the nation and the generation itself. I wish you all the best.